Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today is a very special video for you. It's something that I've been wanting to do for a while, but it's also something I'm not going to do too often. And since my channel is called The Traveling Crane Woodcrafts and More, this would be the and more part of my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how I make my famous wild rice and mushroom soup. This was something I actually started making during the fall, but it ended up being so good, I make it all year round. I also added chicken to this recipe to make it a little bit more heartier and more filling. Super simple, like I said. The ingredients are right here and also will be down below in the description along with the recipe. So please sit back and enjoy this video. Tell me what you think down below. Hit that thumbs up. Share the video if you liked it. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell for my next video. And with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks.